Good morning vlog. Today is the last day and it's actually a nice day out today. We're getting ready, but then we're gonna go to the craft fair. The sun is definitely out today and yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. Outfits of the day, first kilo.
First, I have this top from Amazon, these shorts from Amazon, Birkenstock, Lululemon, and Kendra Scott.
And Target. Okay, so my shirt is from PacSun, my pants are from Shein, my shoes are from Amazon, and my necklace is from Kendra Scott.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came.
It's giving black phone.
Oh my gosh.
We made it to the fair. Look how cute these are.
More days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you.
Doggy dough. Look how good this looks. We got a mango lime juice. Taste this.
Sent to my email.
Oh, that's really good. I got strawberry with coconut top. Let's try it. It's coconut. It's like a strawberry smoothie. Pretty good. We got the blueberry and the banana chocolate chip for the plate.
Things when you want me to, like controller.
So big.
It's a big dog.
Okay, time to try. We got chicken empanada.
We both got chicken.
I didn't get to the chicken part. That's really good. My dream car right there, Cybertruck. Wait, the white one's sick. I've never seen a white one. Bro, Kill just said it said Mr. Beast on it.
On the back of it could have been Mr. Beast.
It's probably Mr. Beast Cybertruck and he's going to get his cannonball drink.
Oh my gosh.
We're taking in our last couple hours here and we are gonna go to the pool. Last dunk in the pool. Getting in our last moments of sun. We're leaving the pool. Last step on the balcony. I'm gonna miss this. It's actually so warm too. We are leaving now. We've made it to Guanabanas and it's pretty busy. Welcome. We've made it and we are waiting for the queue, but it's a little waiting area. It's so pretty. Our timer is ready. This looks so cool. This is our view from our table and I think I'm gonna get the island chop salad. I got my plate, it looks so good. Everyone got theirs. Devoured. Sadly, we've made it to the airport. We've made it through security. Kayla actually made it this time. Our first stop before we get on the plane is we're getting a cannonball drink. The Mr. Beast one. Everyone's getting the same drink as us. Okay, we got our drink, so we gotta try it. Time to try. It's not mixed, but
I mainly just taste strawberry ice tea.
it's good. It's around 7 and we're just waiting to board. They've just started. We've made it and we're now boarding. We're on the plane and we're picking out our movie, or our show. And I think I'm gonna watch Drop because I wanted to see that in the movie and I never got it in the theaters. Never got to, so it's my movie choice. Look at this cute little plane.
Like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to.